Hey everyone, welcome. In today's video, we are going to create a logo for Neo web developers. So let's get into the Illustrator, go to the rectangle tool. And then adjust both of the properties to 200 pixels. And click on OK, and then scale the object as you want. Select it, then go to the pen tool. And by using it, generate two more anchor points in the center of an object, and then select the new anchor point, and then drag it up same like this. Repeat the same procedure for the another corner to get the V shape, and also drag the upper three anchor points to downward to balance the shape. Now, select this corner, and then press the arrow key on your keyboard 20 times to move your corner inside, and also repeat the same process for the second corner to get the shield shape in a balanced way. Now, move your object at the center of the canvas. For further modifications, select it, take direct selection tool. Then round its edges same like this, select it. Go to the object menu, then on offset path. Then generate an offset of 35 pixels, preview it and then hit OK button. And don't forget to round its corners same like this. Now, select it, and go to the eyedropper tool. And fill it with the color you want. Amazing. Now go to the line segment tool, and generate a line near to 45 degree, inside of this shield shape. Same as I am drawing the line in the object. Then go to the tool, and select all of the object at once. Take Shape Builder and extract the shape. And delete that line. Select this side and fill it with light gray color. Also, select the bottom area of the shield, and then also fill it with the dark gray. Select all of the objects, and then set the outline to none. Congratulations, our main shape is now ready. Now go to the rectangle tool, and then generate the shape with the same width value of the previous object, and then move it to the right side of an object. Scale it further, and then generate its copies at the same distance. And with the direct selection tool, move its bottom corners to attach with another shape. Now select all objects, and go to the Pathfinder and then merge them together. And then, reflect them horizontally at 90 degrees, to get the desired end-shaped object. And then, select it, go to the Align panel, and align it in a vertically and horizontally center. And you can also align it manually to get the better visuals. Again, go to the Line tool, and create another line, by tracking the previous position of the object. Select both, take Shape Builder, and then extract the upper shape, and also, delete all the seamless line from the object. Now select the object, take eyedropper and fill it with the light color. Also, select the bottom part of an object, and then fill it with the dark color. Amazing. Now, take pen tool, and create a dark shadow layer for this shield shape. Select all of the objects, take Shape Builder and then delete all the useless parts of the shape. Then, send it down to create a shadow layer behind. Very nice. It's time to add some text for the logo design. Take your text tool, and generate any text you want to write. Then go to the text properties, and select any kind of font. I'm going to use Gotham Family for this design, and I will change its color to same as our object. Now it's time to add a tagline for this particular logo design. As it is HTML services, I also want to make it little smaller, and adjust it with the Neo text. And take the thin font of the same font family as I was using, the Gotham Family font. Also fill it with the same color. Select all the objects, and move them to left side. Now, select this new copy, and go to the Global Adjust option. And then from here, go to this Global Adjust, and set the saturation to -100%, and then hit OK button. Congratulations, your logo is now completely ready. Also, ask anything in a comment section. Leave us a like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.